Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 25. Among the great rishis, I am Bhrigu. Among words, I am the one-syllabled Om. Among sacrifices, I am the sacrifice of silent repetition, Japa Yagna. Among immovable things, the Himalayas.
Chapter 10, Shloka 25. Maharshīnām bruhur aham giram asmekam aksharam yajñānām japa yajñosmi stavaranām himalayah.
Chapter 10, Shloka 25. Still elaborating the same idea. Of the great rishis, I am Bhrigu. Bhrigu is Manu's son and the chief of the 7 rishis mentioned earlier in the chapter. He recites the Manava Dharma Shastra of words. I am the one-syllabled. Words are sound symbols to indicate experiences and to communicate thought. Om is that one-syllabled word which indicates the eternal. It is recognized as the greatest mantra in all the Vedas, used by the sages for meditation. Of sacrifices, I am Japa. Japa is a technique by which the seeker tries to maintain a constant stream of the same divine thoughts in the mind. All paths attempt to restrain the mind to one channel of deliberate thought. Japa is an independent path in itself, but also the core of all other paths, as all attempt to repeat thoughts of the same species. Unbroken remembrance of the self is the very experience of perfection and the moment of perfect intellectual tranquility. Of things motionless, I am the Himalayas. In the secret peaks of Himalayas, man sat to rocket even beyond the frontiers of the intellect and did it successfully, transcending not only the gross but also the subtle. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.